Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives, FII's activity, index actionable, sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Monday, 10th June 2024, Nifty index opened flattish and witnessed complete control of the bulls right from the initial day. It showed massive buying and went on to touch 23,320 zones, merely a few points away from its lifetime high levels. It formed a strong bullish candle on daily sale and recovered all its losses of earlier in the week and closed with intraday gains of around 470 points. India VIX was slightly up by 0.5% to 16.8, but overall volatility has crashed during the second half of the week after the event euphoria and settled at lower zones, which has comforted the bulls. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,500 to 23,700, while immediate range is in between 23,000 to 23,500. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 4,391 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 1,290 crores. FII index long-short ratio marginally increased to 30%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 23,200 for an up move towards 23,500, then 23,700, whereas supports are placed at 23,100, then 23,000 zones. Bank Nifty has to continue to hold above 49,500 for an up move towards 50,000, then 50,500, while on the downside, support shifts higher at 49,500, then 49,250. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive stance was seen in the sectors across board as bulls were seen in full action. Stocks to keep on radar are from the Nifty Auto Index, which is at its lifetime highs, and Bajaj Auto is showing the most strength. Granules is showing follow-up buying after the breakout of the daily frame. Adding to this is Divi's Lab, which has given an inverted head and shoulders sort of pattern breakout on the monthly frame. Lastly, Bharti Airtel, which had shown smart recovery from the lower zones. Wish you a great trading day ahead. For more such detailed analysis, don't forget to follow this podcast. This is Shivangi Sarda signing off.